Hi, this is Mike with ToolGuide.com, and what we're going to show you today is how to refurbish a really old ugly piece of granite into something that's unbelievable. And what we're using today is a regular 4-inch grinder, electric grinder, with our new Tool Guide diamond grit polishing pads. If you notice, the different type of styles represent different type of grits. To show you, I will turn them over. They come in different grits from 3000 to buff. To show you quickly, we're going to take the old slab, which we have not touched yet with anything. We're going to use a 3000 grit and then a buff. First, we're going to use a 3000 grit paper, which is all diamond impregnated. We're going to put it on this little backing pad, which you can buy from us. It just sticks right on. That's it. That simple. We got to make sure it's straight though. I didn't have it straight, so let's put it on exactly straight. Got it, like that. Now, we're not even going to need water, so you can use your electric grinder. That's the beauty. Are you ready? Let's go. This is our 3000 grit paper. You can feel how smooth it is and how rough it is here. But yet, we'll be back to put on our polishing pad, our buffing pad as you call it, which will give you the finish you're looking for. Look at the difference in just 30 seconds. Now it's dirty, we'll have to wash it, but you will see the exposed aggregate like nothing you've ever seen.